Part 17 Induction Machines. Number 1 3-phase induction motors discussed part 14 and part 15. Number 2 single phase induction motors discussed past part 16. Now number 3 induction generator now discuss. Induction generator mainly used in wind turbine couple. It is a synchronous generator. It is to move by prime mover as wind turbine to produce EMF. Here as three-phase induction machines as A coil, B coil and C coil. To star connected here RYB power output. Mainly induction generator used ability to use full power varying rotor speed. Number 2 less maintenance at other generator. Number 3 mechanically and electrically simpler. Number 4 to improve power quality. Here if induction machine 10 numbers pole as per Hertz into 120 electric degree by pole is equal to RPM. Indian standard 50 Hertz into 120 electric degree by pole is equal to 600 RPM one turbine speed. Here now Hertz depend on rotor speed by wind turbine. Now number of pole into rotor speed by 120 electric degree as 10 pole into turbine speed or rotor speed 600 by 120 electric degree is equal to 50 Hertz Indian standard. Tolerance plus minus 3% as per I rules. As per I rules. Asynchronous speed to move as greater than synchronous speed to produce EMF by the induction generator. Here wind turbine depend on air pressure. The turbine connected to gear and gear coupled through rotor of induction generator to produce EMF. Air pressure to same by anemometer. Air pressure to sense by anemometer through controller to triggered of induction generator. Power connect to capacitor bank. After capacitor bank also secondary side of step up transformer and primary side to connect it to power grid as per volt amps mentioned. Here from induction generator come out here and connect here from induction generator in sense of by anemometer through controller to triggered in of induction generator power. Here from induction generator to connect here and capacitor bank connected in delta, and step-up transformer secondary size in star, and star common in connected in earth, and laminate core in other side of primary in delta to power connected to power grid is a induction generator.